You are a human prototype. You are not the finished product. You are the prototype, the proof of concept, the early model that demonstrates potential but lacks polish. You keep yourself in prototyping mode because production feels permanent. Prototypes get to say, this is just an early version, the real one is coming. But what if the prototype is the innovation? What if you're the breakthrough and just don't realize it? It's time to move from prototype to production. It's time to manufacture yourself. Design phase 1. Identify the innovation. What makes you a prototype? What new approach do you represent? What old model are you improving upon? The innovation of your mind, your unique perspective, your unconventional thinking, the innovation of your approach, your different way of solving problems, the innovation of your being, your distinct combination of traits, experiences, and values. You are not a copy, you're an original design. Recognize your innovation, then build upon it. Design phase 2. Refine but don't perfect. Prototypes get refined, not perfected. Remove what doesn't work, strengthen what does, improve functionality, enhance performance, but keep the core innovation intact. Don't refine away what makes you unique. Don't polish away what makes you you. Refine for strength, not for sameness. Design phase 3. Create production specs. Prototypes need production specifications to be manufactured at scale. What are your production specs? Daily habits, the routines that manufacture your best self daily. Boundary standards, the quality control measures for what you allow in. Output requirements, the minimum viable production of your skills, work, value. Create your specs, then manufacture to them. Every day, consistently. Prototypes are one-offs. Production models are reliably, consistently produced, become reliable, become consistent, become production. The production line. One prototype changes nothing. Production changes everything. Move from one-off to ongoing, from experiment to enterprise, from maybe to manufactured. You're not a prototype waiting to be produced. You are the factory and the product. Design, refine, manufacture, repeat. The innovation is you. The production is your life. The impact is your legacy. Stop being a prototype. Start producing yourself at scale. The world needs your model. Manufacture it.